Type 2 diabetes is a chronic condition where your body doesn't effectively use insulin, leading to high blood sugar. A significant factor contributing to type 2 diabetes is diet. Unhealthy eating habits, characterized by excessive consumption of processed foods, sugary drinks, and refined carbohydrates, can disrupt your body's ability to regulate blood glucose. Conversely, a well-balanced diet plays a crucial role in preventing type 2 diabetes. By making mindful food choices, focusing on whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, you can significantly reduce your risk. This involves managing carbohydrate intake, choosing nutrient-dense options, and maintaining a healthy weight. Remember, preventative measures through diet are essential for long-term health and well-being. Dietary fiber is your secret weapon in the fight against fluctuating blood sugar. Fiber, found abundantly in plant-based foods, slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing those sharp spikes and crashes that contribute to diabetes. This gradual release of glucose keeps your energy levels stable and reduces the strain on your pancreas. Excellent sources of fiber include whole grains like oats and brown rice, legumes such as lentils and chickpeas, and a wide variety of vegetables including broccoli, spinach, and Brussels sprouts. Incorporating these fiber-rich foods into your daily meals is a simple yet powerful strategy for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels and lowering your risk of type 2 diabetes. When it comes to grains, whole grains reign supreme. Unlike refined grains, which have been stripped of their bran and germ, whole grains retain all three parts: the bran, the germ, and the endosperm. This difference is crucial for blood sugar control. Whole grains are packed with fiber, which, as we've discussed, slows down sugar absorption. This prevents the rapid spikes in blood sugar that refined grains cause. The fiber also promotes satiety, keeping you feeling fuller for longer. Whole grains, including oats, brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread, provide sustained energy throughout the day, preventing those mid-afternoon energy crashes and reducing your cravings for sugary snacks. Choosing whole grains over their refined counterparts is a simple yet effective way to support healthy blood sugar levels and prevent diabetes. Lean protein plays a vital role in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Unlike carbohydrates, protein doesn't cause a rapid spike in blood glucose. This is because protein is metabolized more slowly than carbohydrates. Incorporating lean protein into your meals helps to regulate blood sugar and prevents those dramatic fluctuations. Excellent sources of lean protein include fish like salmon and tuna, poultry such as chicken and turkey breast, and plant-based options like beans and lentils. These protein-rich foods also contribute to feelings of fullness, reducing overall calorie intake and aiding in weight management, another crucial factor in diabetes prevention. Remember to choose lean cuts of meat and limit processed meats. Don't shy away from healthy fats. They're essential for overall health and blood sugar regulation. Healthy fats, unlike saturated and trans fats, don't negatively impact blood sugar levels. In fact, they can contribute to satiety, helping you feel full and satisfied, reducing the urge to overeat. Furthermore, certain healthy fats can improve insulin sensitivity, making your body more efficient at using the insulin it produces. Excellent sources of healthy fats include avocados, rich in monounsaturated fats, nuts like almonds and walnuts, packed with healthy fats and fiber, and olive oil, a staple in the Mediterranean diet known for its heart-healthy benefits and positive influence on blood sugar. Remember to consume these healthy fats in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Fruits and vegetables are nutritional powerhouses, brimming with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and contribute to blood sugar management. While fruits contain natural sugars, their fiber content slows down the absorption of these sugars, preventing drastic blood sugar spikes. The vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in both fruits and vegetables play a crucial role in various metabolic processes, supporting healthy insulin function. However, mindful portion control is key. Excessive fruit consumption can still lead to high blood sugar levels. Aim for a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables throughout the day, focusing on non-starchy options like leafy greens, broccoli, and berries. Balancing your intake is essential for reaping their numerous health benefits without compromising blood sugar control. To effectively manage blood sugar and prevent diabetes, it's crucial to limit or avoid certain foods that can negatively impact your body's ability to regulate glucose. Sugary drinks, including sodas, juices, and sweetened beverages, are loaded with empty calories and rapidly raise blood sugar levels. Processed foods, often high in refined carbohydrates, unhealthy fats, and added sugars, contribute to weight gain and insulin resistance. Refined carbohydrates, found in white bread, pastries, and white rice, are quickly digested, causing rapid spikes in blood sugar. By minimizing your consumption of these foods and focusing on whole, unprocessed options, you can significantly improve your blood sugar control and reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Read food labels carefully and make conscious choices to prioritize your health. Staying adequately hydrated is often overlooked but plays a vital role in overall health and blood sugar regulation. Water is essential for numerous bodily functions, including the metabolism of carbohydrates and the proper functioning of your kidneys, which help to filter glucose from your blood. Dehydration can impair glucose metabolism and lead to higher blood sugar levels. Drinking plenty of water helps your kidneys efficiently remove excess glucose from your bloodstream, contributing to better blood sugar control. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, and consider reducing your intake of sugary drinks, which can contribute to dehydration. Adequate hydration is a simple yet effective strategy to support your overall health and maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Creating a balanced meal plan is key to preventing type 2 diabetes. Each meal should incorporate the food groups we've discussed: lean protein, whole grains, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Start by building your plate around non-starchy vegetables, filling about half your plate. Then, add a quarter plate of lean protein and a quarter plate of whole grains. Incorporate healthy fats like avocados or nuts in moderation. Prioritize whole, unprocessed foods, limiting refined carbohydrates, sugary drinks, and processed foods. Portion control is crucial. Pay attention to serving sizes to manage calorie intake and maintain a healthy weight. Planning your meals ahead of time can help you stay on track and avoid impulsive unhealthy choices. Remember, consistency is key to long-term success in managing your blood sugar and preventing diabetes. While the information shared provides valuable insights into preventing type 2 diabetes through dietary choices, it's crucial to remember that this is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Everyone's nutritional needs and health conditions are unique. Before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have pre-existing health concerns or a family history of diabetes, consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can assess your individual needs, consider any existing health conditions, and provide personalized recommendations tailored to your specific circumstances. A healthcare professional can create a comprehensive plan that incorporates appropriate dietary guidelines, exercise recommendations, and regular monitoring to effectively manage your blood sugar levels and reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Prioritizing professional guidance ensures a safe and effective approach to managing your health.